welcome to episode 9 of the Sussex Solution. We're in our R&D department today and speaking with the Director of Manufacturing Engineering, Matt Rosner. Matt, thanks for being here.
Thanks for having me.
So automation and secondary value-added operations are vital here at Sussex IM. And we really couldn't do it without our amazing manufacturing, engineering, and automation team. So Matt, can you take us through your team and what you guys perform here?
Absolutely. Our team consists of 4 manufacturing engineers and 2 R&D techs that work with the engineers to design and build the equipment. Beyond that, we have 2 techs that work with our press robots, and they do all the programming and setting up of the assembly lines. One thing that's unique about our manufacturing engineering team is that all the engineers are versed in mechanical design, controls, programming of PLCs, robots, vision systems, etc. You might say they're jack of all trades. There are many benefits to having an in-house automation team. By designing in-house, we control all aspects of the machine, from the design to how big it is, to how much it costs, to even how it starts and stops. We control the lead time, the overall cost of the machine, and we also work directly with our customers early in the process so that we can make small changes that help with the assembly and design for manufacturability. We also have the ability to support the machine from concept throughout its product life. Our team focuses on adding value to our customer's product. We start by usually automatically grabbing the parts out of the mold with an end-of-arm tool that we design in-house. After the part's molded and extracted from the tool automatically, we often do many post-molding processes. Decorating, degating, drilling and machining are some of the examples that we would do after molding. But then we can also do small parts assembly and packaging. We have a large selection of stock and custom equipment. Some of our stock equipment that we provide to our customers include hot stampers, heat transfer machines, drill presses, tape machines, and wipe-on and tamp and blow labeling equipment. We also offer a lot of custom design solutions. Behind me is a Gen 3 RFID tag handling system that we designed and built in-house. We also design and build custom IML systems. Beyond that, we also design small parts assembly using pneumatic pick and places for slower speeds. And we also get into high-speed assembly using 4-axis and 6-axis robotics. So
Matt, what sort of lead times can be expected?
Great question. It really depends on the size and scope of the project. A small project like a decoration might be 2 to 4 weeks. A medium-sized project where there might be some parts assembly can maybe be in the range of 8 to 10 weeks. And a system like behind us, fairly complex, could take somewhere in the range of 14 to 16 weeks typically. But the main thing to reiterate is we work with our customer from the start, being an in-house automation team, and we focus on deliverables along the way.
Well, thank you, Matt, for joining us again on this month's episode.
Thanks for having me.
So as you can see, our automation and manufacturing engineering teams are really what set us apart in the injection molding industry. We hope that we found a Sussex solution for you today. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to Matt or the team here. And if you're looking for a new project to launch and wanting to reduce labor, increase efficiency, and increase repeatability, definitely reach out to us. We're happy to help. And as always, stay tuned for next month.